Stop loss placement is always a big discussion in trading. A lot of people ask, where do I put my stop loss? How do I manage these positions? Where do I get out? Well, today I wanted to explain how I go about it in the attempt of potentially giving you guys some clarity that you can add to your trading system. In our live stream yesterday, we had a number of people asking me how I go about managing my positions and what my thoughts on bringing stop to break even was. And the fact that I managed to bring my stops to break even of sorts without actually moving my stop loss any closer to my entry point. So I wanted to dive through how I do that and why I do that. And it just happened that while I was explaining exactly what I do and how I do it, I had a live trade which needed to be managed in the exact same way. So you get to see me do it live on stream, and I've cropped it all up for this little video for you today. So if it did generate a bit of clarity or it made you want to ask more questions, the comment section is below. We're always very active in our comments. So please send a message, let us know if it's helped, let us know if you have more questions and you want to dive in. And of course, you can always join us live every single trading day at TradeDelicious YouTube. Enjoy the video and we'll see you soon. So keep an eye on that. Let's go back to the chart. Tom said, Jordan, so you took profit. Do you ever bring your stop loss to break even? So just for clarification, Tom, where I had my stop loss when I was sharing my screen just before wasn't my original stop loss. It was further down and I've brought it in. Stop loss to break even isn't necessarily something I aim to do. I feel people jump the gun too quickly on trying to get their stop to break even and they strangle their trades. So I take partial positions like you saw. I'm just going to pinch the screen back here, Anna. I take partial positions like you can see here where I have half off. That then gives me the ability to even have my stop loss back down here, hold it there, and this is still a break-even trade, right? This right here is still, even if we go down and get out here, half my position was off there, half the position's off there, we're at a break-even. So it gives me that ability to still allow my trade to breathe. So I prefer to do it along that way. So I've taken half off here, pulled my stop in. So I'm actually, no matter what, in profits, unless I get, touch wood, unless we get ridiculous slippage to the downside, I'm sitting pretty comfortable here in profit in a good position. So if I was stop at break even, I'd be completely out of this position by now because it would have stopped me out. And it still might, but I try to ignore the whole stop to break even because it's like an addiction. It gets you that itch that every time you're in profits, let's get that stop to break even quickly. Let's go risk free. And you can really strangle the trades too much to what I like to see anyway. Very interesting to see euro on its way back up here. Prime example, Tom, on why I don't move my stop solely to break even. Chasing it, this would have been strangled out and I would have been out of the position there. As now I've been given the opportunity to maybe even take the full position pushing into these highs, which is, it's looking kind of attractive to me. I won't lie to you. Go for it. But yeah, I'm going to take this position completely off here. Nice little trade there.